Assalamu alaikum. Do you know what happens during Hajj? Ultimate guide to Islamic pilgrimage. Welcome to our ultimate guide to the Islamic pilgrimage, Hajj. Hajj is a fifth pillar of Islam and is a journey that every Muslim must make at least once in their lifetime if they are physically and financially able. The pilgrimage takes place in Mecca, Saudi Arabia during the Islamic month of Dhul al-Hijjah. Millions of Muslims from around the world gather in Mecca to perform a series of rituals that date back to the time of Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail. The rituals of Hajj include the Tawaf, which is the circling of the Kaaba 7 times, the Sa'i, which is the running between the hills of Safa and Marwa, and the symbolic stoning of the devil at Mina. Hajj culminates in the day of Arafah, where pilgrims stand in prayer and reflection on the plain of Arafat. After completing the rituals of Hajj, pilgrims celebrate the holiday of Eid al-Adha, the festival of sacrifice, by sacrificing an animal in remembrance of Prophet Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice his son for God. Hajj is a time of spiritual renewal, community, and devotion to God. It is a journey that brings Muslims closer to the faith and to each other. I hope the video was informative. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.